We will showcase how to transfer a netlist from a system capture schematic to a PCB editor board layout. Before importing the netlist into the board, it is essential to configure the package symbol library paths. Failure to configure library paths can result in netlist import errors. Customers set up a site area containing all the default settings for libraries and tool operations. In the site area, you can find the pad path and PSM path defined. The pad path stores the location of pad files, while the PSM path stores the location of the package symbol, format symbol, board symbol, shape symbol, and flash symbol. The symbols are stored in the specified directory location, which is displayed on the screen. To access the board file, go to the Project Explorer setting and click on Layout. You will be able to see the existing layout screen. If you want to create a new layout, right-click on Layout and click New Board. This will add an untitled board to the list. The newly created board will be an empty layout, and you can view its status on the right side. If you wish to view an existing board file, right-click on the board file and click Open Board. If you want to dock to a new window, right-click on the board window, select Dock to, and then click New. You can review the board design and monitor its progress. You can also cross-probe the schematic and layout. This means that when one tool selects an object, the other tool highlights or de-highlights the same object. Let's close the layout file. To generate the netlist, go to the File menu, select Export, and then click on Export Netlist. This will create a file that includes all the parts and their connections as defined in the schematic. The netlist file is essential for starting the board layout process. If any errors occur during the netlist generation, the netlist won't be created, and error messages will be displayed in the violation window. A log file will also be written to the packaged directory, as shown on the screen. You can import these files directly into the PCB Editor tool. Alternatively, you can export the netlist to the layout by selecting Export to Layout. In the pop-up box, choose the input layout file, an existing layout file or template layout, and select the output layout file. You can use the same board file or a different board name. Click on the gear icon to access additional settings and check the other options. Click OK to export the netlist to the layout. You can see in the pop-up that PCB netlist is imported to the layout. Select the appropriate license to launch the PCB Editor tool and check the status on the screen. That's all the time we have now for this video. Thanks for watching.